Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Friday, January 10, 2020, brought to you by Service First Construction Group, your trusted source for all your storm repair needs. Be sure to visit their new website at servicefirstcg.com. Tell them that Extreme Weather sent you for an additional 5% discount to their already reasonable pricing. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, there is a moderate risk of excessive rainfall over parts of southern plains, middle Mississippi Valley, and lower Mississippi Valley, along with moderate risk of severe thunderstorms over parts of the southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley. Second, heavy snow and rain, freezing rain for parts of the Great Lakes and upper middle Mississippi Valley. Third, temperatures will be 10 to 25 degrees above average over the southern plains, lower Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes. And finally, heavy snow once again possible in higher elevations of the Northwest. A large multi-hazard storm is forecast to impact the plains and Midwest starting today, shifting to the East Coast by early Sunday. Widespread severe thunderstorms with damaging winds and tornadoes are expected across the South. Heavy rain and flooding are possible from the plains to the Mississippi and Ohio valleys. Heavy snow and ice will lead to dangerous travel from the plains to New England. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. A deep trough over the Rockies will move eastward to the lower Great Lakes by Sunday. Along the associated front, heavy rain will develop from parts of the southern plains northeastward to the Great Lakes, producing 1 to 3 inches. Due to the slow progression of this system, storm motion will be slow and expected to track over the same area. This will become problematic as soils become saturated. A moderate risk of excessive rainfall is forecast over parts of eastern Oklahoma and neighboring states. The rain will produce numerous flash flooding will occur, with many streams being flooded and floods affecting larger rivers. Additionally, the Storm Prediction Center has forecast a moderate risk of severe weather for parts of the southern plains to lower Mississippi Valley. On the backside of this system, light to moderate snow over the Intermountain West and Rockies will spread eastward. A wintry mix of snow, sleet, and rain, freezing rain is possible in portions of the southern central plains into the middle Mississippi Valley and northeastward into the Great Lakes Friday into Sunday after the cold front drops the temperatures. The heaviest rain, freezing rain is forecast over parts of Great Lakes Saturday into Sunday. A stark temperature gradient will set up over the country thanks to the strong front over the central U.S. into the Great Lakes. In the warm sector ahead of the front, daily temperatures will average 10 to 25 degrees warmer than typical early January readings. Numerous records are expected to be broken from the Ohio and Tennessee valleys into the northeast. In contrast, the western half of the country will be much colder than usual as a cold front and secondary cold front reinforces the frigid air mass. On Friday, high temperatures in the single digits are forecast for the north-central tier of the nation. The Pacific Northwest will have another low-pressure system approach the region on Friday, which will amplify the precipitation. Coastal areas will have periods of moderate rain, while higher elevations of the Cascades, northern Great Basin and the northern Rockies will have heavy snow. Snow accumulations may very well reach or exceed 2 feet in the highest peaks of the Cascades, around 1 foot elsewhere. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our weather information is derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our outlook uses AI technology developed by Extreme Weather, and our audio broadcast is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group. Have a wonderful start to your weekend, stay warm, stay dry, and let's stay weather aware.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this Extreme Weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.